Did you know that even finalized divorce papers can have errors? These mistakes can lead to unexpected complications if not addressed promptly. Let's explore the common errors and why it's crucial to correct them quickly. Leaving errors uncorrected in your divorce papers can have serious consequences. From financial discrepancies to custody issues, these mistakes can impact your life significantly. It's essential to act swiftly to avoid long-term problems. Errors in divorce papers can be clerical, omitted, or legal. Identifying the specific type of error is the first step in correcting it. Let's delve into how you can spot these errors in your paperwork. Acting quickly is vital when you find an error. Whether it's a simple typo or a significant legal mistake, timely correction can prevent further complications. Don't delay in addressing these issues. Filing the correct forms is crucial for fixing errors. For clerical mistakes, a request for correction is needed. For more substantial errors, a stipulation and order may be required. Let's look at a real-life example. We helped a client correct their spousal support terms after discovering an error. By filing a stipulation, the court approved the change smoothly. This shows the importance of following the right steps. Divorce 661 can assist in reviewing and correcting errors in your divorce paperwork. With flat-fee pricing and remote services, we make the process hassle-free. Discover how we can help you today. Don't let errors in your divorce papers cause long-term issues. Visit divorce661.com for a free consultation and ensure your paperwork is accurate. Correcting these mistakes now can save you from future headaches.